Hey guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on this 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. Okay, so here's the replacement spark plugs. You're going to need 2 spark plugs in total. And I'll just flash up here on the screen the specs listed in the factory service manual for replacement spark plugs with the proper gap sizes and everything. So as you can see, I have both side cowls removed from the bike. This is not necessary completely. In order to replace the spark plugs, you only need to remove the right-hand side cowl to access the forward spark plug. So we're going to start by replacing the right-hand spark plug on the forward cylinder. After you've removed the right-hand cowl, you're going to have to remove this cover here. This covers up a bunch of wiring harnesses. There's 2 holes here. I'm not sure what the previous owner did, but they had zip ties holding this on. There may be a different set of screws or something, I'm not sure, on your bike, but there's one here and one up here. You can see I've already removed the zip tie, and then this just pulls out here from a rubber grommet that's up here. Now the next thing you could do is try and remove this cover here. I see one bolt here. I'm going to remove that and maybe we can swing it up out of the way, and that way we gain access to that spark plug. Okay, so make sure the engine's cooled before removing the spark plugs. With this out of the way, we can now remove the spark plug wire just by popping it off like that. And then we're going to want to clean around the area of the spark plug first prior to removing it. So you can see here a comparison between the old and the new. So we're going to take our new spark plug and put it back in the hole. Get the thread started there and try not to leave any grease on this section. All right, so now we're going to torque down the spark plug to 12 foot-pounds or 144 inch-pounds. And then we're going to put our wire back on. All right, so now we're on the aft cylinder. Again, this side you do not need to remove your side cowl for. Same procedure. We're going to remove the wire here. And we'll just tuck that up out of the way. And here's a comparison between old and new. And before we throw everything back together, let's give the bike a little test run. Perfect. There we go. Okay, now that we have the side cowls back on, that sums up the replacement of the spark plugs on a 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. Hope this video helps, and we hope to see you next time. Cheers.